All right, good evening, everybody. Hopefully you're watching this Wednesday, August 26th. Here's your daily agenda for today that's posted in our folder. Number one, you're going to want to make sure that you have completed your Best of Me PowerPoint slide and you have submitted that. There is a place for submissions, and I think if you look at it, it's embedded already within your Schoology page, and you just need to click on Submit Assignment. If you're having trouble with that, please reach out to me, and I can do my best to assist you either via email or we can perhaps maybe have like a Zoom tutoring session. Okay, you're obviously watching this video, which brings me to the Padlet. Yesterday, I asked you to think about some ideas to 3 different questions at the end of your Best of Me slide. So if you need to go back and reference those again, please feel free to do so, but I'm going to have them listed for you on the discussion board. In addition to that, you need to respond to at least one person per question. So you'll see the link here, and this is what's going to pop up. And it's going to look like this. So question 1 will have, I'll copy and paste the question here, and then underneath, you're going to click the plus sign in order to be able to respond to that question. So your name is going to go in the title. Literally, you need to put your first and last name. And then in the write something section, you're going to type your response there. And you should already have some ideas coming into today because I asked you to consider it yesterday. And if you didn't, that's okay. They're provided for you here. Okay, so once you've typed your response, you just need to click out of it and it will automatically save. There's a little comment section at the bottom. That's how you're going to comment to somebody. So your reply should be something expanding the conversation beyond just, I like what you wrote and I agree. Well, you agree with what? Why do you agree? Or you might ask a question, or maybe you never thought of something a certain way, and this has opened your perspective. You're going to do the same thing for question 1, question 2, and question 3. And then on the last column, I want you to insert some kind of meme or GIF to describe your mood today. It does need to be school appropriate, please. So when you click on the plus button, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to put your name here. So your first and last name. Then on the bottom, you can upload something straight from your computer. You can link it in here in case you want to copy it from the internet. You can take a picture of something, or I believe you can search for things in here. There are a lot of different ways that you can incorporate certain things. But I would prefer maybe just the image, so you can upload it or link it. That would be your best bet. And again, school appropriate, please. School appropriate does not include the little 2 fingers on your head that y'all have been doing in your selfies. You guys need to stop that because it's not technically school appropriate. Sorry to be, Debbie Downer. But there are lots of other funnier GIFs and memes to describe your mood for today. And hopefully your mood for our class is a little more positive than just simply the day. So that's all you're doing. There's nothing to submit. As long as you have a response in every single column, all 4 columns, you are done for the day. And don't forget to comment at least the first 3. You don't need to comment on people's GIFs or memes, but at least the first 3 questions, okay? So let me go back here. Again, all you're going to have is this agenda slide. You'll have a link to this video that you should be watching right now, and then a link that says Class Discussion Padlet. If you have any trouble accessing any of that or have questions, make sure today on Zoom that you get my attention and we'll work through that. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.